How to activate your TD Bank credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to activate your TD's credit card, here is the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, head over to the official website of TD Bank. Once you reach on the home page, tap on the login button from the top right corner. Select your account type and it will take you to the login portal. Hereby, you have to enter your username and the password to access your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you can land to the home page again. Navigate to the account details page. Find the activation link. Look for the link that is labeled as Activate Card. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to the activation page. Now you'll have to provide the details required to complete the activation. It usually includes the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.